During this video segment, I will show you how you can view the deep hopes and storylines of other teachers. So these are mine, but if I want to view those for other teachers within our school, as well as other schools throughout the TfT network, I can go to Other Curriculum, go to Deep Hopes and Storylines, and if I wanted to, if I knew of a particular school, so maybe I just want to look at all those within my school. So I can do that. I could choose my school, click search, and it'll show the deep hopes within my school. So you can pull a particular school, or you could look at all schools if you wanted to, and just do a search. So maybe I'm looking for grade 5. So I could search by keyword. Notice it has 5th grade, and I guess this is what it's searching against is the title. Let's just type in the word, maybe restoration we want to look for. So if I click on the word restoration, notice it brings up this deep hope and storyline. And or I could search by specific grade. So for instance, if I'm looking for just story lines, deep hopes and storylines attached to 4th grade is what I meant to do. Or let's look at 4th, 5th, and 6th together. I can click a search and view them that way as well. So in the search results, it'll have the name of that, how they titled that deep hope and storyline. It'll have the actual deep hope, the actual storyline, and then you can click on this view if you want to actually view it. So you can now see the deep hope and storyline, the name of the school, as well as you can see the artifacts that go along with that storyline. So those could be videos, they could be pictures, images, if you will, and so you can work your way through those, close that, and if you want to, you can go back once again and look at the next one. So if I want to look at this particular storyline, I can do that as well and click back and so forth. So this allows you to view, like I said, by school system, by school name. You can search by keyword, or you could search by grade levels, or any combination of the two as well. So again, if I want to look for restoration within these grades, I could do that as well. And so the more criteria you enter, the smaller your search results will be, and then you can go ahead and view those. This now, one other thing that I should mention is if you also want to see if they have a flex for a unit attached to this very same grade. Notice on the right side here, this is Kelly Fish. She is a 4th grade teacher, and looks like she created a flex for her solar system unit. So you can click on that and view that flex as well. And if we go back once again to the search results, let's go here again and just do a new search. And so if I come to Other Curriculum and go to Deep Hopes and Storylines, and if I just do a search, and if I click on this view here, notice that this particular one is attached to, there's several flexes that have been attached to units. So you can click on those. And that may not always be the case. It may be attached to a course that has units that there is no flex. Then you just wouldn't see anything on the left side there. This now concludes this video segment on viewing deep hopes and storylines from other schools.